Ladies, have you ever thought that menopause means slowing down? Well, it doesn't have to be that way. Instead, menopause can be your time to shine and get stronger than ever before. Can you imagine that? It's a new chapter in your life, and it can be one filled with empowerment and vitality. So today, let's dive into how menopause strength training can become your new best friend during this transition. You know, when women talk about menopause, they often focus on the uncomfortable symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and weight gain. But I want to shift the narrative a bit today. What if we viewed menopause as an opportunity for renewal instead? Picture this, you're not just going through a phase, you're stepping into a powerful new chapter where you can prioritize your health like never before. Sounds much better, right? Let's talk about something that has been a game changer for many women going through menopause: fitness for menopausal women. Exercise is not just about losing weight or looking good. It's also about feeling powerful from the inside out. Regular strength training can help alleviate some of those annoying menopause symptoms. You might be thinking, how can lifting weights help with hot flashes? Well, studies have shown that regular exercise can enhance your mood, boost energy levels, and improve sleep quality. When your body feels good, your mind can follow suit. Now let's break this down a little. When we think about menopause strength training, we're talking about building muscle and bone density, which is super crucial as we age. Did you know that after menopause, women can experience a decrease in bone density? But here's the silver lining: engaging in strength training can counteract that. Not only does it help maintain strong bones, but it can also combat weight gain, which is a common concern during menopause. So, grab those dumbbells, and let's get started. And here's the kicker: you don't have to be a gym rat to benefit from strength training. You can start with simple bodyweight exercises right in your living room. Squats, push-ups, and lunges are fantastic ways to get going. Remember, it's all about consistency, not perfection. Even committing to 20 to 30 minutes a few times a week can make a world of difference. And don't forget, it's totally okay to start small. Every effort counts. Now, while we're on the topic, let's talk about menopause symptom relief. Many women experience joint stiffness, which can be uncomfortable when starting a new workout routine. A smart approach is to integrate flexibility and mobility exercises into your regimen. Think yoga or stretching sessions. These can help ease stiffness and increase your range of motion, making strength training feel much more achievable. Furthermore, let's not overlook the mental benefits of engaging in regular fitness. Exercise releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones. So, when you're feeling overwhelmed with symptoms or mood swings, getting a little sweat on could be just what you need to lift your spirits. It's not just about the physical transformation, it's about feeling strong and empowered. Have you considered working out with friends? Building a support system can significantly enhance your motivation. Whether it's joining a local class, finding a workout buddy, or even connecting with online communities of women going through similar experiences, the camaraderie can be incredibly uplifting. Plus, let's face it, working out is way more fun when you're surrounded by friends. Now, you might be wondering how to tailor a workout routine specifically for this stage of life. Start by focusing on full-body workouts that engage all major muscle groups but also incorporate cardio for your heart health. A combination of strength training and aerobic exercises is key. Think about it, you're not just building strength, you're also enhancing your endurance. And speaking of endurance, consider incorporating activities you enjoy. Do you love dancing? Try a dance workout. Want to be outdoors? Go for brisk walks or hikes. It's all about finding what you love and keeping it fun. If it feels like a chore, the chances of you sticking with it decrease. So, keep the joy alive in your fitness journey. Let's do a quick recap. Menopause doesn't mean you have to slow down. In fact, it's an opportunity to reclaim your strength and vitality. Engaging in menopause strength training can provide immense benefits like symptom relief, improved mood, and better overall health. Embrace exercise not just as a workout but as a form of self-care. You deserve it. As we wrap things up, let's remember that every woman's experience with menopause is unique. Listen to your body, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from health professionals if needed. You're not alone in this journey, and there are countless resources and support systems available. These resources are designed to help you navigate this new chapter with confidence and ease. And, speaking of resources, don't forget to download your free Menopause Strength Training Checklist and bonus Menopause Lifestyle Checklist. The links are in the description below. So, ladies, let's lift each other up and embrace this transformative time together. Here's to the next chapter of strength, empowerment, and unshakable vitality.